Welcome to eBaum's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn. Storing personal and company information. Many of the publications you create by using Publisher will include the same personal or company information, such as a name, address, and a phone number. Instead of having to enter this information for each new publication, you enter it only once, in an information set. Then whenever a new publication includes an item from the information set, Publisher automatically pulls it from the stored record and plugs it in. Similarly, to update personal or company information throughout the publication, you need only update it once, in the information set. In this exercise, you will create two information sets and apply them to a publication. 1. In the publication types list, click Business Cards, and then under Newer Designs, double-click Marker. Publisher creates a business card containing placeholders for standard information. 2. On the Edit menu, click Business Information. The Create New Business Information Set dialog box opens. Publisher fills in any information already available on your computer. Troubleshooting. This dialog box appears only if you have not previously created an information set. If you already have an existing information set, the Business Information dialog box appears. Click New in this dialog box to display the Create New Business Information Set dialog box. 3. Fill in the information in all the boxes other than the logo box. If any information does not apply, delete it. For example, if you are filling in personal information, delete the entries in the job position or title and organization name boxes and remove the logo. 4. Below the logo box, click Change. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. You navigate in this dialog box the same way you do in the Save As or Open dialog box. 5. Select the logo you want and click Open. 6. In the Business Information Set name box at the bottom of the dialog box, replace Custom 1 with a name that represents the information you just entered, and then click Save. For example, you might enter company or personal. 7. In the Business Information dialog box, review the information you just entered, and then click Update Publication. 8. At the right end of the Format Publication task pane title bar, click the arrow, and then in the task pane list, click Edit Business Information as shown here. Tip: From the Business Information dialog box, you can create, edit, or delete information sets. 10. Click New, and then in the Create New Business Information Set dialog box, enter a different set of information, again deleting any elements that are not relevant. For example, if you previously entered your company information, you might want to enter personal information this time. 11. In the Business Information Set name box, type an appropriate name, and then click Save. 12. Close the dialog box without updating the business card publication and then close the Business Information task pane. Publisher updates the business card publication to reflect the information set you selected. Tip: After you insert an item into a publication from the information set, you can add to it or delete parts of it without affecting the way it is stored in the information set. Similarly, if an item such as a tagline or motto is not included in the information set, you can replace the corresponding placeholder in a publication with text without affecting the saved information set. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.